0.30, 0.50, 0.70, 0.91, 0.32, 0.03.0 millimeters. Mechanical pencil full metal art drawing painting. Mechanical pencil full metal art drawing painting. Automatic pencil with leads. Office school supply. Review. Mechanical pencils are a popular choice for artists and students alike, as they provide a smooth, consistent line and are easy to use. This particular mechanical pencil is made of full metal, which gives it a premium feel and makes it durable. It comes in a variety of lead sizes, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. The pencil also has a retractable tip, which prevents it from breaking when not in use. Here are some of the pros and cons of this mechanical pencil. Pros. Comfortable to hold. The full metal construction of this pencil makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods of time. Smooth writing. The lead glides smoothly across the paper, providing a consistent line. Retractable tip. The retractable tip prevents the lead from breaking when not in use. Various lead sizes. This pencil comes in a variety of lead sizes, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Cons. Pricey. This mechanical pencil is more expensive than some other options on the market. Lead can be difficult to remove. The lead can sometimes be difficult to remove from the pencil, especially if it is new. Lead can be fragile. The lead is relatively fragile, so it can break easily if it is dropped or mishandled. Overall, this is a good mechanical pencil for artists and students alike. It is comfortable to hold, writes smoothly, and comes in a variety of lead sizes. However, it is more expensive than some other options on the market and the lead can be difficult to remove. And fragile. Where to buy? This mechanical pencil can be purchased online and at some retailers. Price. The price of this mechanical pencil varies depending on the retailer, but it typically costs around $10, $15.